Pattern. Pattern refers to a repetitive arrangement of elements that are used to create a visual or textual design. These elements can include shapes, colors, symbols, or textures arranged in a repeated sequence. Patterns are often employed to add visual interest, depth, and cohesion to digital designs such as graphics, backgrounds, textiles, or user interfaces. Geometric patterns. Geometric patterns consist of regular, repeating shapes such as squares, circles, triangles, hexagons, and other geometric forms. Organic patterns. Organic patterns feature irregular, free-flowing shapes inspired by natural forms such as plants, leaves, vines, or waves. Abstract patterns. Abstract patterns do not represent specific objects or motifs, but instead feature non-representational shapes, lines, and forms arranged in a visually appealing manner. Figurative patterns. Figurative patterns depict recognizable objects, figures, or scenes, often stylized or abstracted for artistic effect. Symmetrical patterns. Symmetrical patterns are characterized by mirror image repetition along a central axis, creating balance and harmony in the design. Asymmetrical patterns. Asymmetrical patterns do not have mirror image symmetry, but instead feature elements that are balanced through other means such as color, size, or placement. Radial patterns. Radial patterns emanate from a central point and repeat symmetrically around it, creating a circular or radial arrangement of shapes or motifs. Linear patterns. Linear patterns consist of straight or curved lines arranged in various configurations, such as stripes, waves, or zigzags. Types of patterns on fabric are animal print, floral, polka dot, argyle, paisley, pinstripe, camouflage, plaid, stripe, checked, stripe, tie, and dye. Pattern through block printing involves the creation of intricate designs using blocks made of materials like wood or linoleum. These designs are then transferred onto various surfaces, such as fabric or paper, by pressing the block onto the material with ink or dye. This traditional method allows for the replication of detailed patterns with cultural or artistic significance, resulting in visually striking printed products. Tie-dye is a fabric dyeing technique where sections of fabric are tightly bound or twisted with string, rubber bands, or other materials to create patterns, and then dipped into dye. The bound areas resist the dye, creating areas of color contrast and unique patterns on the fabric. This method is often associated with vibrant colors and free-flowing designs, making each tie-dyed piece distinct and individualistic.